Okay, welcome everybody to this year's new Hour of Code Computer Science Week challenge. It's called Generation AI, and we're going to get jumped right into it. It's going to be all about coding and AI this year. Okay, so apparently there are artificial intelligence projects without responsible AI principles in this Minecraft world. So what we need to do is, okay, so what is artificial intelligence? So I want you to think about each of these statements, talk to the person beside you, and then feedback to us. What do you think it is? Okay. Think about what is artificial intelligence, and then pair and share. Okay, so the person beside you, think, pair, share. Think about it. Work with the partner beside you, and then tell me what you think artificial intelligence is. So AI is like teaching a computer to think and learn. It is used in many things we do today. Okay, so what will we learn today? We will describe what is artificial intelligence and where we see it in the world around us. We will identify and explain the rules of using AI in the right way. We will use coding to think like a computer and solve puzzles step by step. And of course, we'll learn about how AI choices can impact people. And we will apply what we've learned to understand more about the careers in use of AI and in computer science. So let's play. We're going to log into Minecraft, and we're going to go to the first activity. Okay, so we click on new and featured this time. If you don't sign in, you can just usually there's a link here to click you sign in. Otherwise, use your Microsoft account to sign in. Okay. And it's this one, Hour of Code Generation AI. And we're going to venture through time to create helpful AI-powered inventions in the new Minecraft Hour of Code Generation AI. So we're going to create world. Okay. So we're in like a virtual or like a dark room. And it wants us to click here, so let's do that. I think we're going to use keyboard for mine, but if you're on an iPad you can use touch controls. And we're going to start the tutorial. Okay, so welcome to the look tutorial. If you've used Minecraft before, this is pretty straightforward, but we have to do quick. This will help you get used to it. Move your mouse around to look at the golden orb. So hit start. So there we go, there's the golden orb. We're going to look at it, and then we're going to look at the next one. Oh, it's a bit slow, I don't know what's going on there. Excellent. There we go, and there we go, another one, and the other one, and the other one. Okay, congrats, you've completed the look around tutorial. This next section will teach you how to move your character. Okay, so hit next. On the keyboard, it's WASD, of course, to move around. So we want to follow these here. And we got to go to the. Oh, yes, we did it. We can go around here. Very straightforward. Okay, next section will show you how to practice moving your character while jumping. Press the space bar. Okay, so very straightforward again. Bit of parkour to get us through the next bit. Let's do it. Excellent. There we go. We did it. Okay, we're going to talk to a non-player character. Oh, we've got like a robot. So we're going to right click. So right click on the. So following this section will teach you how to place and break blocks. To start, your hotbar located at the bottom of your screen is made up of an item of slots. Yes, to place a block, you must select an item from the slot. Okay, perfect. To place a block, you must be holding it, of course. While holding the block, aim toward the surface of another block to right click on that one. Okay, so let's do it. To place blocks. Okay, we need to get up over here. So we need to go to the block down the bottom. So it's number 1. We're going to have to place a block there. And another one there. Then we can jump over it. Okay, brilliant. Okay, so then we go to the other NPC. While holding the block, aim forward on the other side of the gap, then place your block. Okay, we need to place blocks across the walk. Okay, so we need to aim there, place it, Interesting. There we go. Another one, and another one. Okay, there we go. Easy. This is all easy stuff, guys, so far. Okay, next. We want to left click to break the blocks. Okay, left click. Okay, so this is a quick interval from Future Mr. Harron. I got stuck on this part, so you have to hold down the left click to get through here. So just hold down left click. There we go, and you get through, no problem. I'm sure those experts that are in Minecraft would have known that already. And then you head to the next part, and then we're going to hit the button. Right click, I think. Oh, make sure I don't go through the portal. Walk through the portal now. Here we go. So we should pop out where we need to start. Okay. Press anywhere. Okay, Hour of Code Generation AI. So, good morning, Gil, my favourite fish. I hope you slept well. I did, and I'm in a great mood. They are posting our math test score online. I can't wait to see what I got. Let's check the computer. Let's go back, check the computer. Oh, here we go. Oh, you look different. Hello. Oh, I didn't see you. It's, when are we? Never mind, doesn't matter. We need to move quickly. Your AI has problems I need to fix. So this is your AI from the future, and it's got some problems. You need to fix it. Whoa, slow down. Talking computer, have you always been able to do that? Who are you? So you don't know who this is yet, but yeah. You're the AI. Artificial intelligence doesn't ring a bell. Oh, did I go back too far? Look, I want to explain everything. Let's go. Okay, so we pop off to the next part. So you want to know what AI is. Okay, we talked about this. Artificial means, yeah, thinking or smartness. We talked about it already. An AI was created the thoughts of humans programmed into me, or should I say you. Okay, so this is your, okay, I don't remember programming you, or you haven't programmed them yet, that's why. Okay, so we need to get to the first pillar of AI, and to do so we need to take out the 4 guides, and we need to talk to each of them individually. Okay, so let's head over. We do the same again, builder, bridge. Oh, okay, and then head over to the first AI and hit next, next, and then we fall through. It's a bit like the Ghost of Christmas, like a Christmas Carol. We have to go visit all the different time zones. There we go. Okay, this is the first one then. Do you remember this place? This is your lunchroom. You made an AI to dispense lunch. Okay, let's have a look. There's something wrong with it, so let's see if you can spot it. Okay, so we have fixed the AI. We're going to do it in blocks today, but you can use it in Python if you wish. Okay, let's see, press C. I'm going to look at our problem here. I'm going to pass you back to past Mr. Harron. Okay, so we have a look at this part here. It says scan horizontally. So let's have a look. If we change this one to smart, okay, so it's going to decide if it's going to horizontal or vertical. Let's see, does that work? Okay. Okay, it's looking down this time. Ah, brilliant. So it's scanning smart, and now this person gets food as well. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. You've learned the principle of fairness and inclusiveness and now this knowledge can be added to your AI. Let's continue. Let's return. Okay. Okay, next, I can feel the fairness and inclusiveness coursing through my wires. You did well solving that problem and fixing it. Okay, let's do the next one. Now that my power has increased, I can help you reach the next AI guide by building a bridge using code, but I will need your help. I'll stand here, you press C to code. Okay, so press C and it will open up. Move forward, place a brick. Okay, so let's see, does that work then? Hit play. Yeah. Okay, let's go check out the bridge then. No, not enough here, so we need to keep going basically. Press C. Have we do it again maybe? There we go. It's going to go across. And then one more, I guess. There we go. We're on to the next bit. Okay, you made it. It wasn't easy, I know, but to be honest, it took me a very long time to get here. That's because I never learned about reliability and safety. But hey, now that you're here, let's go learn about it together. Okay, follow me, just not too closely. I guess we're gonna fall through another one. Whoa. Okay, there's no place like home, right? This is the day you first tested your next AI, the smart mower. This invention was going to make you a millionaire. Let's watch and see what happens. Okay, so it's cutting the grass, brilliant. Okay. Oh, so it's damaged the sprinklers here. Okay, your parents are not happy. It could have been much worse. It really goes to show why you need the next principle: reliability and safety. Okay, let's see. Alright, so press C to code. Okay, press the green arrow to test the mower. Running over the sprinklers and causing damage. It isn't looking too smart. Let's make it safe and reliable by changing the code so it checks for the sprinkler. Okay, so we need to get rid of these commands here. So cut grass if there's no principle, if there's no, and then this one, get rid of that one, and drop this, drop another one of those in there, and drop that one in there, and then this one, get rid of that one, drop another one of those in there, and then the last one. Okay, so these can all go in the bin. So it's going to check, it's going to repeat 8 times, it's going to cut the grass if there's no sprinkler, so it's going to check. Okay, so now you can see it's going up. There we go, perfect. Excellent, now we understand the principles of reliability. Okay. Excellent. Okay, great work. My powers are growing. I'm surging with safety and reliability. You did well solving the problem and fixing it. Let's go to the next one. Your next AI guide awaits you on the pillar ahead. You'll once again need to code the bridge. For me, though it should be easier now as we learn together. Okay, as we're getting new abilities. Yes, of course we're going to have loops this time because we can repeat how many times we need to do it. Press C to code. Okay. So we need to move, I'm not sure how many times we need to do, move forward, place up, surely that should be placed down I guess, and let's try 10, and press play. Yeah, it shouldn't be placed down. There we go, that was much quicker this time, and we can go to the next one. Okay, I'm supposed to take you on a trip. Well, you should know I do whatever I want. No consequences or regret. I was never taught about transparency and accountability, so nobody knows what's going on inside my head. I'm ready to see how I end up this way. Let's go. Whoa. Should have some Doctor Who music on with this. Here somewhere else now. Okay, Oh, the birds are just dropping things on the... Here, what do you see that? There's no ordinary bird. It's an AI trash collector, part of Project Preen. These robot birds should collect garbage from around the town and fly it to the dumpster, well, to the bin. But clearly something's not working. We should look at their control box to see what's wrong. Okay, so head over this direction then. I think I see something over here. What's this? Is it the bird here that... I think there's something here. Is this the control box, is it? Right, so that's the control box. Okay, so no coding required here. We can't quite understand the code because some of it is unclear and hidden. Before we could fix the problem, we needed to code the secret words as follow the birds to see if we could figure out what the code is doing. Exit coding window and follow the birds. Okay, so exit, press escape. This code is a black box. That's what we call it when it's coding working. It's hidden or hard to understand. We can't interact with it, so it's hidden. Okay, so let's follow the birds. If we can interact with one, we can check out its code and decode it. It's a special secret message. Figure out its special language and you'll be able to understand what's really going on. Okay, so where are they? There's the birds there. Let's follow them. Oh, okay, next. Oh, there's one there. Okay, perfect. Scanning. Deciphering. Debugging, decoding. Oh, we've got a bit of ones and zeros there. Trash. Okay, so great job, you figured out the first part of the code. Let's follow the birds and see where they go next. Oh, there we go, next part. Come back, quick. So we got it. There's another bird. Let's try and find out what this one's doing then. Scanning this one. Deciphering. Dumpster. Okay, trash and dumpster. Okay, let's go to the next bit. They're all going. Let's keep tracking them. These bit-brained birds. That's a good idea. That's a good word. Okay, so where's it going? There we go. This way. Oh, bit of parkour. Are we going to get it through here? Excellent. Let's do it. Okay, now they're just picking up stuff. Another bird here. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, scanning, deciphering, decoding what we want to see, and release. Okay, so it's releasing here. So we've got, that's it. You cracked the code. It's no longer a black box. You can read all of the instructions, and now its code is transparent. Being accountable means taking responsibility for your AI actions. Let's start by returning to the control box and making the necessary fixes. Okay, so we need to go back to the control box over here. There's one. Okay. Alright, and we should have the code up here. Okay, now we've noticed that there are two unused blocks that might be useful. Leave the coding screen and see if you can find a dumpster to put the trash into. Exit the coding window and find the dumpster. Okay. With the black box decoded, we can now reprogram the AI and fix it. The bird should be taking the trash to the dumpster. Very American. Should be taking the rubbish to the bin. There it is over there. Excellent. Or this one's a big bin, so we call it a skip, of course, in English. Okay. There it is. Now we have the dumpster's location. When you're ready, press C and deploy the fix to the birds. Okay. Press C. Oh, so we need to interact with the control box. It wasn't working when I pressed code, just doing this. So what you have to do is go turn around and go here. Okay. And then it should pop up probably. Yeah, there we go. Hopefully. Might take a few seconds. Okay, so it should work. If you have problems getting into this part, which I did, you can just reset it and just close Minecraft, open it up again, and it brings you back to where you were. So now that we've uncovered the secret words, we can tell the birds where the birds are told to pick up the trash, but there's nowhere to put it. Let's update the code by using the different instructions so the birds can handle the trash in a better way, like flying it to the dumpster and dropping it there. Okay, so it's continued to fly in a loop. So we need to, let's have a look at the hint here. So replace move trash with 2 new blocks. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So change. Okay. Replace move trash with 2 new blocks. Okay. So we're going to take that one out. I guess we have to fly to the dumpster and release the trash. Okay, let's see, does that work? Success. We've learned the principles of transparency and accountability. Now this knowledge can become part of the AI. Okay, so there we're doing it. Perfect. And we're back. Okay, I'm accountable to being completely transparent with you. You did it well. Identify the problem and fix it. Wow, that's felt good to say. Whatever you're doing it on the right track. I'm evolving rapidly. Okay, let's do the next one. You no longer need to input code to reach the other pillar. I can now generate a bridge from a prompt. A prompt lets you give instructions to AI in response by generating information based on what you did. It's a whole new way to communicate. Your final AI guide is waiting for you on that pillar. Let's build a bridge again. But this time I'll use the data set I've created from your past challenges to generate the bridge, to start prompting interact with me. Okay, so I guess we have to just go over to him. Okay, so we want to build, what kind of bridge would you like to build? Straight, I guess wood, just right, and next. Okay, there we go. I guess we can pick whatever we want to be the materials. Okay, success, well done. Definitely getting smarter. Okay, where'd you come from? Oh, it's just you. Sorry, it's really scary up here. I've never learned the concepts of privacy and security, so I'm always looking over my shoulder. Okay, now well, you've arrived, let's get out of here. Hopefully you can find a way to help us be secure. Here we go. Traveling through time again. Okay. What's happened? Looks like he's given the food to somebody else. Welcome to AI Tech Locks. This is your office. It's here you created the AI for the most secure smart locks on the market. You spent many hours writing code and fixing. Oh, somebody's coming into the place. Okay, so what do I have to do? Hey, it looks like you got an email. You should read it. It could be about a bug or even a customer trying to get help. Okay, so let's look at our email. Log bug. We keep having salespeople come to our door. It's awkward times. How do they always know we're home? Is it possible that they could access our private information? That sounds like a serious issue. Try reviewing the door's access report to make sure it's working properly. Okay, there's the door. Let's have a look. Check the door. Okay, yeah, looks like people are accessing it. Different times there. Oh no, the access report is public. Everybody can see it. To keep everything safe and private, you must only right people can view it. Okay. Use the CodeCrafter AI on your computer to continue. CodeCrafters. Okay. Select one of the options. Well, we want to fix a bug. What kind of issues are you having? The display isn't working. Non-admins can view the log. So it's going to be permission issue. Scanning for issues. Okay. Opening code now. Let's do it. Okay, I find the problem. It is a bug in the access report on the device. After fixing the issue, run the code again. I'll check to sure everything's correct. Okay, press C. Okay, open the tutorial. Anyone can see the access report showing who has been using the door locks, which is a big problem for privacy and security. You should change the code so that only the right people, such as the admins, can see. Okay, so at the minute you can see here, there's some information here. If user permissions equals anyone, of course it shouldn't be anyone, so let's check that. It should be only the admin. The administrator should only have access to this. Okay, enable visible log viewing. Let's hit the play button. Check the door now. Okay, let's see. Yay, there we go. I think we fixed it. That's it, you fixed it. Successfully blocked the access logs. We'll refresh the code and make sure they update the patch. Nice job, the bug has been a big security risk. We'll learn the principles of privacy and security and part of your AI. Let's see, does it work now? Everybody's happy. Excellent. Let's see. Well done, you're back. You did well identifying and complete the problem. My zeros and ones tingled. Now I feel complete. So you're becoming a responsible AI. And I think, okay, there is still one pillar left, far beyond your sight. However, it is the most important pillar. Let's hop on. Okay, let's do it. Hold on tight. Okay. Whoa. Okay, this is your final challenge. You must take what you've learned and use it to teach us. Okay. Alright. It's not fair to exclude us. We're ready to learn. We now don't feel safe. We're counting on you, so they must be all asking me certain things. Okay, we have to get them all to the right location. Okay. You owe us this, to be honest. Come on, now finish what you've started. Remember the principles, you are ready. Okay, so we need to get them to each principles. Teach a self-driving car to be understanding of different road signs. Teach an AI to with inclusive range of objects and people, so that's inclusiveness. Transparency and accountability is that one. Reliability and add a way to be open with code that used. Privacy and security is that one. Make an AI that hides any information you wouldn't. Reliability and safety is probably this one then. Teach an AI to be safe. Okay, that's that one then. So let's see what it wants us to do. Use the code to move AI guides to the training spots that match the principle they represent. Okay, so Right, and start. Oh, so we have to do match AI, so each of them have to go to different places. So this one, the red agent should go to inclusiveness. Okay, so that's that one. That's the first one that's done. The green one should go to transparency and accountability. No. Okay, so that's this one. So that'll be thumbs up. And then the yellow one should be safety, would be that one. So let's do the green one first. Green one should be that one, I think. Yeah, that's it. The lock should be make an AI that hides any information it wouldn't. That's security, so that'll be the blue one. So security, and it's the lock. Okay, so press C. So that's the blue one. That should be the lock, and the last one is the thumbs up. Okay, let's see. Code field. Oh, interesting. Let's see how we do it. Okay, so I just spotted my error there. This one should go to the shield, and this one should go to the thumbs up. Okay, let's see. Does that work? There we go, and off they go. Excellent. And there's all the pillars of AI. You taught us the principles of responsible AI. Okay. Whoa, there we go. This is your work, your creation. Welcome to Generation AI. Now you've learned the importance of AI, use it to make the world a better place. I'm ready to assist you in creating a special place. There's no more coding challenges. Instead, you're provided with a prompt. So what kind of biodome? Oh, I think I want a flower forest. Sunrise. And a starter home. Everyone. And then of course you can change it into creative modes, adventure mode, whatever. So I'm going to do adventure mode, and I'm going to go normal, and let's do it. There we go. I think that's it. Finished then. Generating our flower forest. Okay, so I think we can just roam around now. There it is. Okay. It's done. Your AI world is complete. You can do whatever you want here. Build, play, code. Okay, so thank you for taking part in your hour of code. Okay, this is the final bit, so we can just have a little play around here. When you're done, you need to click on escape, click on I'm finished, and then get your certificate to be uploaded to the team or to the form. Okay, so you type in your name, Mr. Harmon, and then submit, and it should pop up, and then I can save this, copy it, take a screenshot of it, and then upload it to your team or to the Microsoft form. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next year for the Hour of Code.